In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your schedule in Google Calendar using separate calendars and color coding. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. This gives you a clear visual space to manage your time and separate different parts of your day in a way that feels much less overwhelming. If you use your browser regularly for work or planning, Chrome is a convenient choice because everything is easy to access in one place. Once Google Calendar is open, the next goal is to create unique sub-calendars for separate activities. This is a very useful feature because it helps you avoid putting every task, reminder, and event into one crowded calendar. Instead, you can organize your schedule by category. For example, you might want one calendar for work-related tasks, another for personal activities, and another for study, fitness, or household planning. Keeping these areas separate makes your calendar easier to read and helps you focus on the right type of activity at the right time. As you create these subcalendars, give each one a clear and simple name so you can instantly recognize it later. The more specific and consistent you are, the easier it will be to maintain your schedule over time. This setup also makes it easier to turn calendars on or off when you only want to view certain parts of your routine. After creating your separate calendars, the next step is to use color coding for high priority and low priority tasks. This is where your calendar becomes much more effective at a glance. Choose one color for important tasks that need immediate attention and use a different color for general or lower priority tasks. The exact colors are up to you, but the key is to stay consistent so your brain quickly understands what each color means without needing to stop and think. Color coding can save time and reduce mental clutter because you can instantly scan your day and identify what matters most. High priority items will stand out right away, while lower priority tasks remain visible without competing for attention. This is especially helpful when your schedule gets busy and you need a simple system to decide what to handle first. With Google Calendar open in Chrome, separate subcalendars create